blow-ups. Oh my gosh, they're smoking the surface of the water. Massive slicks forming. See, there's just slick. There we go. Freaking tank of a trout. Oh, they're beautiful trout. Oh. That's a big trout, another big trout. Welcome back out in the bay this morning, chasing some bird activity, looking for these feeding frenzies. We're going to be running all around the bay. We've already got birds working up ahead. We've got another group working over here behind us, a couple wade fishermen. We don't want to disrupt them, so we'll give them their fair share of that action. We're going to come running around over here, make a few casts that we can get. There we go. Nice trout. Wow. Easy. That's a thick, healthy trout, isn't it? Swam right up and choked it. All right, first fish of the morning. Beautiful speckled trout. We're not keeping, we're just out here having a good time. Boom, get that guy back. Yeah, they're so fired up. Probably need to downsize my profile just a little bit. Oh, there we go. Another nice speckled trout. Oh, he's a heavy one. Is that a trout? Oh my goodness. Big male. Oh, big old male. That's speckled trout number 2. Listen to him drum. He's drumming so loud. Speckled trout are actually in the drum family. Obviously you can hear them drumming when you catch these big males. Look at that. Thick. Boy, that's a heavy trout. There's a slick forming right here. You can see how the water is just oily and sheeny on top. Those are big trout feeding. We'll just cruise our bait right through that slick. Oh yeah, you can see them coming out of it. These fish have been heavily keying in on bunker, menhaden, pogies, whatever you want to call it. This is a perfect imitation for that. It's the Masterclass series by 6 Cents. Got a nice like holographic belly built in. Gives off a perfect pogie presentation. It's just that perfect little 3.5, 4-inch size that they're looking for. You can absolutely smoke them on it. Oh yeah, we've got some great action up ahead here. Stuff just blowing up. I do want to cast underneath these birds real quick though. But we're basically in them at this point. I mean, we got... There we go. Oh, there we go. Come off. Man, he came off. Ugh. We're just running around from area to area to area. They're just diving left and right in front of us. Oh, we got to get up here. They are hitting the water so hard. Oh. Man, that does not feel like a trout. If it is, it's a big one. Might be, it's moving fast. Oh, let me see you. It is a trout. It's a freaking tank of a trout. For a summertime trout, this is awesome. Whoa! goodness. We're gonna net her on the 6 Cents Masterclass. They're keying in on pogies big time right now. Oh, those big trout hate the net. They hate the net. Oh my gosh, yeah. Come here, girl. Now that's a trout. Oh, what a beautiful trout. For a summertime trout out here, that's a great size trout. And she choked that lure. Look at that. That represents a pogie perfectly. And that's what they're keying in on out here. They can't turn them down, such an oily fish. Look at that beautiful trout, man. Ooh, I love it. Absolutely love it. There you go, girl. There you go. Now that the sun's peeking up just a little bit, you can see just how realistic that bait profile looks. By the way, the setup we're using is the PC Fun Carbon R1 rod. This is a 7-foot medium light. Got that paired with a PC Fun Carbon X3 2000 series spinning reel. Nice lightweight setup, 15-pound braid, 20-pound fluoro leader, 1/4 ounce jig head, rigged up with the Masterclass lure from 6 Cents. Nope, there we go. Oh, I think that was a red. I twitched it right as he come up and got it. Oh, I think that might have been a redfish. Man, look at the birds diving. I love it. It's hard to get tired of this. It's hard to get tired of this. All the rip-rap chaos through here. Oof. There we go. Got it on the fall. What is that? That's another nice trout, I think. Is that a red? Another nice trout. Wow. I'm telling you, these trout, man, they cannot ignore these. Pop the net on this girl. Boom. Oh, look at that beautiful trout. It's a twin grunting. Oh, Masterclass, man, they are crushing those things. That's a pretty one. Let's get back in here. We got massive slicks forming. You can see there's just slick just everywhere. Big blow-ups. Those are either reds or big speckled trout smashing the surface. We got to get in there. Big blow-ups. Oh my gosh, they're smoking the surface of the water right here. There he is. Ooh, how could you ever get tired of this? Just a giant trout. Another stud. Come here, girl. Oh, just another stud. I'd rather catch these than redfish. These are monster trout. She's going berserk on me. Oh my gosh, come here. Oh, she threw the hook perfect. Oh my gosh, just another hammer. Beautiful yellowmouth. Oh, I'd rather catch those than reds. We got to get back in here. They're busting like crazy. You can see the disturbances all over underneath the birds. Big slick, big slick. This is just entirely too much fun. Entirely too much fun. Oh, our lure's not gonna last long in here, I can promise you that. I can promise you that. And that's what they're keying in on. That is what they're keying in on. Oh, another nice speckled trout. These trout are all hammers. I could probably throw in a shrimp imitation or something like that. Oh! But these pogies, boy, he got me. Saltwater taste this morning. These pogies are yielding some much better quality fish. Pogie imitations. He's released. This is what the package looks like. It's the Panorama 3.5 swim bait masterclass. I'm gonna go ahead and tie on a fresh one just so we can get that nice reflective material to shine out here while they're chewing. This other one's still holding up pretty good, but you can see it's got a lot of teeth marks and the reflective material's kind of bit off of it. So we are gonna go ahead and upgrade here. And there we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. That's got to be a red the way he's digging. Yep, it's a red. Oh, it's a big trout, another big trout. Dude, just another monster girl. Might be the biggest one of the day. She's hooked pretty good from the looks of it. I'll just kind of wear her out. We're just smacking these big donkey trout this morning, one after the next here. Got her. What the? I don't want this video to be based around boat etiquette. It's about catching fish and having fun, but I've had several interactions with this same boat operator in different locations, so my reaction wasn't based on this incident alone. They're really blowing up right through here, chasing bait to the surface like crazy. There they go. Yeah, there they are. Oh, nice trout. That's what we're looking for. Whew. There's some big trout in here. That's all right. We're not exactly taking our time and finessing these fish. We're out here just catching them and getting right back in there. Catching them, getting right back to it. Oh, oh, there's another nice trout. Oh, yeah. Flip her in here. A pot of dolphins over here terrorizing bait. Right through where I want to catch them trout. Pretty cool though. They definitely ate up all the fish with it. Oh. Look at that trout. Jump out of the water. Boom. Got another slick forming up here. Been really enjoying fishing the bay this year. It's been pretty productive, a lot of bird activity. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Another speckled trout. These are all nice speckled trout too. Oh. That'd easily be a limit if we were keeping. That same guy. That's that same guy What a morning. Some monster trout blowing up this morning on these pogies. We're gonna get out here and make a few more casts. The birds have died down. The boat just came ripping right by me. Like, come on, man, at least slow down and idle, bro. But anyway, I yelled at him. Hopefully he got the memo. I think he's trying to ease in here now, which makes no sense to me. But there's still some slicks and stuff popping up around, so we are gonna get back in here and make a few casts. In the slick, yeah. Right here in this slick. Another one? Next cast? Right here in the slick. All right, we're chewing again. Ooh, nice one. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. Easy's not in his vocabulary, is it? There we go. Ooh, another nice one. Unfortunately, the bite has slowed down. You don't see any birds working anymore. May pick back up in a minute, or we may just run around and see if we can find some other activity. The birds have settled down now, but we're just fishing conditions, fishing these slicks right here, looking for surface disturbances. You can see we got a nice oil scene right here, a nice slick. I got some stuff blowing up behind me I want to go chase. Ooh. Oh, right there. Oh, another big trout. Oh. Chewing again. Oh, we're not gonna boat flip her. Oh, I love when they make that sound. Oh. We're not gonna boat flip her. Ooh. There's two back to back, these fishing conditions. We're gonna keep moving around, see if we can find some more activity. Kayak is absolutely covered in trout scales. I'm gonna have to rinse it off when we get out of here. We got more birds working up ahead. We're beelining it for them right now. Try to get upwind, swing around, and drift into them. Birds are up ahead here. I can see them hitting the top. Oh, God, boy, there they are. These might not be quite as big. Oh, these are your little guys. They're still fun though. Is that a white trout? Oh, that's a white trout. Look at there, a white trout. White trout typically don't get as big. Oh my gosh, back-to-back casts. We could load up on the white trout through here, couldn't we? Ooh. Well, that's actually a speckled trout there. If these guys are all small, we'll probably roll out. Kind of want to make a little bit of a quick trip this morning anyway. Oh, there's some big stuff blowing up. Oh my gosh, instant, man. Can't keep a lure in the water. 3 for 3 right there. Three for 3. Do we go 4 for 4? Let's see. Yeah, apparently we do. Ooh, he's on. It's just non-stop out here. There's a good bump. Might be a keeper there. Ooh. Chance to wipe my doggone hands. What was that? Oh, hit it on the fall. That's a little red in there. I kind of swiped at it and missed it. A little red. Man, this is just insane. It's like every single cast. A trout? Oh yeah, that's a nice trout there. There's a keeper. There's a keeper in the mix. These fish are so fired up, they're feeding hard. Well, that might be a little red. No, it's just a fat trout. Probably only like 14, maybe 15. He's fat though. Out here just busting them. That wind is kicking. We got rough at the bay here. Looks like we got another group working over here. Real concentrated birds. We're gonna swing around, get upwind. Could be redfish. It's real shallow over here. Almost looks like redfish. I think it is redfish. Gotta swap to a brighter color because big old heads coming out. That might be reds. There's a trout. See, that's a big head right there that just popped out underneath those birds. Swap to a bigger profile, a little bit brighter, bolder. Gotta get right down underneath them. There we go. Oh yeah, I knew it was reds. Big old copper colored red. Need to get back in there for some more. Go ahead and grab you, bud. Still got birds working, but look at the coppery colors on that redfish. Man, he's just bright copper. Man, it's windy. I still got a group right here in front of me. Yeah, that's a red. Bunch of reds in here working. It's another one of those coppers. I didn't really get the chance to show the first one off to the camera. This one's a little bit smaller. Look at that. It's just pure copper. Little guy. That's so cool, man. Probably just a whole little pod, a whole little school of them over here. Very next cast, another red. No break in the camera here. Oh, he's caught on something. There he is. That one's basically gold. Looks like a goldfish. The wind's picked up considerably. A little bit of a quick trip. That's going to be a wrap for this one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Links and discount codes for everything used will be in the description. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.